Taking control of your financial future is crucial for a secure and fulfilling life. It empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. It enables you to achieve your financial goals. This essay will guide you through essential principles to build wealth. You can avoid common financial pitfalls by following these principles. Let's embark on this journey to financial well-being together. Budgeting is the foundation of sound financial management. It is the first step towards achieving financial stability and building wealth over time. It allows you to track your income and expenses meticulously. By keeping a close eye on where your money is going, you can make informed decisions about your spending habits. This process helps you identify areas where you can save more money. For instance, you might notice that you're spending too much on dining out or entertainment and can then make adjustments accordingly. Start by listing all sources of income. This includes your salary, any freelance work, rental income, and even small side gigs. Knowing exactly how much money is coming in each month is crucial. Then, track your expenses diligently. Keep a record of every dollar you spend, whether it's on groceries, utilities, or leisure activities. This will give you a comprehensive view of your spending patterns. Categorize your expenses as essential and non-essential. Essential expenses are those that you cannot do without, such as rent, food, and utilities. Non-essential expenses are those that you can cut back on if needed. Prioritize essential expenses such as housing, food, and utilities. These are the basics that you need to cover first before considering any other spending. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, create a realistic budget. This budget should reflect your financial goals and help you stay on track. Use tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to make this process easier. Allocate your income to cover essential expenses. Make sure that your basic needs are met before you allocate money to other areas. Set aside a portion for savings and debt repayment. Building an emergency fund and paying off debt should be high priorities. This will provide you with a financial cushion and reduce financial stress. A well-structured budget empowers you to control your finances. It gives you the confidence to make financial decisions and helps you stay focused on your long-term goals. It ensures that your money is working for you, not against you. By sticking to your budget, you can achieve financial freedom and build wealth over time. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and discipline. Investing is essential for growing your wealth over time. It allows your money to work for you and generate passive income. Long-term investing offers the potential for significant returns. It's important to approach investing with a long-term perspective. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Patience and discipline are key to successful investing. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a substantial investment portfolio. Diversification is crucial to mitigate risk in your investment portfolio. It is one of the fundamental principles that every investor should understand and implement. By diversifying, you are essentially spreading your investments across various financial instruments, industries, and other categories. This strategy helps to ensure that your exposure to any single type of asset is limited, thereby reducing the risk of significant losses. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes. These asset classes can include stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and even cash. Each of these asset classes has its own set of risks and returns, and they often perform differently under various market conditions. By having a mix of these assets, you can create a more stable and resilient portfolio. Examples include stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns but come with higher risk. Bonds are essentially loans to governments or corporations and are generally considered safer but offer lower returns. Real estate can provide steady income and potential for appreciation, but requires more capital and management. By diversifying, you reduce the impact of potential losses in any one investment. For instance, if the stock market experiences a downturn, your bonds or real estate investments might still perform well, thereby cushioning the blow to your overall portfolio. This balance is key to long-term investment success. Low-cost index funds are an excellent option for both beginner and experienced investors. These funds are designed to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. They offer a simple and cost-effective way to achieve diversification. These funds track a specific market index. This means that when you invest in an index fund, you are essentially buying a small piece of every company in that index. This provides instant diversification and reduces the risk associated with investing in individual stocks. Examples include the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The S&P 500 includes 500 of the largest companies in the U.S., while the Dow Jones Industrial Average is made up of 30 significant publicly traded companies. Both indices are widely used as benchmarks for the overall performance of the stock market. This approach provides broad market exposure at a low cost. Because index funds are passively managed, they have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. This means more of your money is working for you, rather than being eaten up by management fees. Diversification and low-cost index funds are essential pillars of a robust investment strategy. By combining these two principles, you can build a portfolio that is well-positioned to weather market volatility and achieve long-term financial goals. Remember, the key to successful investing is not just about making high returns, but also about managing risk effectively. Section 5. Navigating common financial pitfalls. Financial pitfalls can derail even the most well-intentioned individuals. It's crucial to be aware of these traps and take steps to avoid them. One common mistake is accumulating high-interest debt. Credit card debt, if not managed responsibly, can quickly spiral out of control. Another pitfall is co-signing loans for others. Co-signing can put your own credit at risk. It can strain relationships if the borrower defaults on the loan. By understanding and avoiding these financial traps, you can protect your financial well-being. Section 6. Building an emergency fund, a financial safety net. In this section, we will explore the importance of having a financial safety net and how to build one effectively. An emergency fund is essential for weathering unexpected financial storms. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. From sudden medical emergencies to unexpected car repairs, these unforeseen events can put a significant strain on your finances if you're not prepared. It provides a safety net to cover unexpected expenses. This fund acts as a financial cushion, giving you the peace of mind that you can handle emergencies without having to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt. These expenses include medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Imagine facing a sudden job loss. Having an emergency fund can help you cover your living expenses while you search for a new job, reducing stress and allowing you to focus on finding the right opportunity. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This might seem like a daunting task, but breaking it down into smaller, manageable goals can make it more achievable. Start by calculating your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and other essentials. Start by setting aside a small amount each month. Even if it's just a few dollars, the key is to make saving a habit. Over time, these small contributions will add up, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your emergency fund grows. Gradually, increase your savings over time. As you become more comfortable with your budget and find ways to cut unnecessary expenses, try to increase the amount you save each month. Celebrate your milestones along the way to stay motivated. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind. Knowing that you have a financial buffer can reduce anxiety and help you feel more secure in your day-to-day life. It allows you to focus on your long-term financial goals without constantly worrying about potential setbacks. It ensures that you can handle unexpected events without derailing your finances. By building and maintaining an emergency fund, you are taking a proactive step towards financial stability and resilience. This fund is a crucial component of a healthy financial plan, providing you with the confidence to face whatever life throws your way. Section 7. The importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions about your money. It empowers you to understand financial concepts. Examples include budgeting, investing, and debt management. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. There are many resources available, including books, websites, and workshops. The more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Section 8. Planning for a secure retirement. Retirement may seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Determine how much you'll need to retire comfortably. Consider factors such as your desired lifestyle and life expectancy. Once you have a retirement savings goal, create a plan to achieve it. Saving consistently and investing wisely are crucial for a secure retirement. Start planning today to enjoy your golden years without financial worries. Section 9. Maximizing retirement savings, employer plans and IRAs. Employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401(k)s, offer a tax-advantaged way to save for retirement. Contribute enough to your 401(k) to receive the full employer match. This match is essentially free money. In addition to employer plans, consider opening an individual retirement account, or IRA. IRAs offer tax advantages and a range of investment options. Maximizing your contributions to these accounts can help you build a substantial retirement nest egg. Section 10. Avoiding early withdrawals. Protecting your retirement nest egg. Tapping into your retirement savings early can have significant consequences. It reduces the amount of money available to grow over time. Additionally, early withdrawals may be subject to taxes and penalties. Avoid withdrawing from your retirement accounts unless absolutely necessary. Treat your retirement savings as untouchable until you reach retirement age. By doing so, you protect your nest egg and ensure that it's there when you need it most. Section 11. Embracing financial discipline for a brighter future. Mastering your finances is an ongoing journey that requires discipline, commitment, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the principles outlined in this essay to pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, financial success is not about luck. It's about making informed decisions and taking consistent action. Start today and enjoy the rewards of financial well-being for years to come.